Starting an online side hustle nowadays is one of the greatest ideas. That's why in today's video I'll show you some of the best options so you can choose what works best for you. In order to get every step right, don't forget to follow me till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. With that said, I'm going to proceed right away with the very first side hustle idea, which is Shopify dropshipping. So what you can basically do is to create a shop with Shopify and then sell products from AliExpress or any wholesaler on your store. Mark up the price, and you know that everything on AliExpress is really cheap, and whenever a customer buys a product from your store, it gets shipped out directly from AliExpress to the customer, so you don't have to see or touch the products and still get your profit. Of course, what you can do next is to promote your store on your social media platforms, and you can just use TikTok, even Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. Just find a winning product that you think that can go viral. You can even go over to TikTok and search for TikTok made me buy it, so you can find some of the most viral products for the moment and then search for them on AliExpress or any other wholesaler, and you can just find that product and you can do drop shipping with it, so you can sell it over to your Shopify store. So you know that the prices here on AliExpress are really cheap, so what you can do is basically charge even more for the same product on your Shopify store. So this is what basically drop shipping is, and a lot of people are implementing this strategy nowadays. And of course, you can just go over to your social media platforms and you can create some videos even with the product that you are selling if you want to, so you can get even more people to check out your store and purchase something. So with that said, I'm going to proceed to the second online side hustle idea, which is very similar to this one, and it is selling on Etsy. It is very similar to Shopify dropshipping. You can sell any product, but you don't have to market the product on your own, because people can just search here for stuff on Etsy. So Etsy does all the marketing for you. I still recommend that you promote it on your social media platforms so you can grow your chances of getting even more sales. You're going to do the same thing, basically just find the winning product on this platform, on AliExpress, on Alibaba, and so on, and you can just charge it for even more here on Etsy. You can even find the most popular items here on Etsy that are selling right now, and you can even sell that one if you want to. So with that said, guys, let me proceed to the third side hustle idea, which is affiliate marketing with Pinterest. So affiliate marketing is basically promoting brands, products, and services, and whenever someone purchases something through your affiliate link, of course you're going to earn your commission. And you can find different niches that you can choose, like you can find a company that it is in a finance niche or self-help, travel, and so on. And then you just need to find a company to be an affiliate for. So you can just choose clickbank.com if you want to, but even impact.com, since here you can find thousands of companies that you can be an affiliate for. Of course, you can even use Amazon affiliate program and even a Fiverr affiliate program. So you can find any product that you want to promote through ClickBank, for example, or any company that you want to promote, and basically you're going to just promote it, your affiliate link, through Pinterest. You're going to create a Pinterest account, and I recommend that you switch to business account, of course, and then you're going to start posting like 3 to 5 videos every single day over here. Of course, you can use TikTok in order to find the best videos that are trending right now. For example, if you go for the finance niche, you can just search here for financial education videos, and they give you a lot of results. You can just take these videos and post them over to Pinterest, and make sure to give credits to the main owner. And of course, you can just grow your account like this, since you're going to post some viral videos, and you're going to just post then your affiliate link on your bio. So this is a nice idea that you can also do with other social media platforms. This strategy can be done either with Instagram or TikTok and so on. Start posting those videos on the social media platforms. Put the link in the bio so people can go over through your affiliate link and purchase something related to the niche that you are promoting, of course. And even the content is going to be related to that product as well, to that niche. So you can take advantage of any social media platforms to do that. So with that said, I'm going to proceed to another side hustle idea, which is to start YouTube. So of course you may think that it's going to be a little bit boring and difficult, but what I recommend you do actually is to start a faceless YouTube channel, and I'm going to give you a lot of examples. So what you can basically do is, for example, to start a YouTube video which is related to motivation. So this is an example. They got a lot of subscribers and are just making some videos related with some motivational quotes. They put some stock footage over here that you can find in different platforms like pexels.com, pixabay.com, and so on. You can even search on Google where you can find some stock footage, and you can just add some quotes on that. So as you can see, it's pretty awesome since you don't need to show your face. You can even go for the meditation niche. They just put some videos with some music. They go on a loop actually, as you can see, because they are like 3 hours long, and you can even post them with just a picture on it and some music on it. So you can just see that you can go over for the game niche as well, and so on. So there are a lot of faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can just find. You can even go over to my channel and you can just check out the last video, since I have done like some of the best faceless YouTube niches that you can just use in order to start a faceless YouTube channel. So with YouTube you can even do brand deals, selling merch, or even sell your own products, and even do affiliate marketing. So there are a lot of things that you can do in order to maximize your profits. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed with another idea, which is going to be actually to be a freelancer. What you can basically do is to go over to different freelancing websites, for example Fiverr or even Upwork.com, and so on. You can find a lot of them, and you're going to notice here that you can provide different services like graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, and so on. Each of these categories got a lot of subcategories as well, so I think that most of you can do something from these services. And you can even check out the most popular service as well, so you can just do the ones that are in high demand right now. For example, logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, social media, and so on. If you want to go for logo design, I highly recommend that you check out this platform called canva.com, since you can find a lot of already made designs over here. You can just search for logo designs and you're going to notice a lot of these already made designs. You can even check out the free ones, and what you can basically do is to customize them. So you don't need to take them just like they are right now. You can click on them and it's going to take you over to the editor page, and you can customize them however you want, and you can change them so they can look unique. After that, you can just go over to your customer on Fiverr and you can just deliver your work, and you're going to earn your profit from that. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World.